Hey, Mr. Harper here. So we have our escape game, and it just dawned on me that I completely forgot how to, well, I didn't forget how to, I forgot to actually set the timer. And so if you remember, if we click on Sprite 1 and then we go to Costumes, we said we give the player 5 minutes to escape. Well, we never programmed that timer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Costume 2. And I'm going to actually change it because I think 5 minutes is too much time. So I'm going to go maybe 3 minutes to escape. And then I'm going to click on code. And let's put this code on the backdrop. So let's click backdrops for the stage. And when the green flag is clicked, let's go ahead and make a variable. So we're going to click on variables. So we're going to click make a variable. And we're going to call this variable time. And hit OK. Okay, so to start with, we're going to give the user set amount of time. So we're going to get set my variable, and we're going to go set time. So just click the drop down menu to change it to time. And I believe there's going to be 180 seconds. So there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 60 times 3 is 180. So we're going to give the user 180 seconds. And so then we're just going to do, let's do a repeat until. So we're going to repeat until a condition is true. So we're going to repeat until this time left. So we're going to go here. So we're going to go operators and let's get a equal sign. And then let's click on variables and let's get time until time equals 0. But what do we want to do until time equals 0? Well, that's simple. We're going to change my variable time by -1. So we're going to take 1 away. So when we click this, okay, well, that doesn't work, does it? So let's figure out what's going on. So let's, when green flag is clicked, set time to 180, and let's wait 1 second and change it by -1. So let's try this again and figure out what's going on with our time. Check to make sure it works. There we go. All right. So basically this is going to, and I'm just going to click this. So this should start at 180 and click down and count down after 1 second. And so what we're going to want to do, we're going to want to actually, if time left equals 0, let us actually broadcast a message. So let's go to events and we're going to broadcast new message, and we're going to say you lose. And then let's go ahead and switch the backdrop to backdrop 1. So we're going to go to looks. Let's switch backdrop to right before you lose, backdrop 1. And then we're going to click on our Casey sprite and we're going to go events. When I receive lose, we're going to have Casey show, and then let's have Casey say something like, and actually let's use this say something because we want to keep saying it. We're just going to say sorry, you ran out of time. Okay, and so this should go and it should tick down, and hopefully when it gets there, this should end if you run out of time. Okay, and so that should be it. I mean, we don't want to wait a whole 78 seconds for that to happen, but if we want to test it, make it really quick and test it, we can actually click on the backdrop. Sorry, let's click on our backdrop. Let's go back to code. And we can set, instead of 180, we can check this to see if it works by setting it to 5. And now if we do this, 2, 1, there you go. We saw that. You ran out of time. And this sprite right here doesn't hide because, well, we're not worried about that, but it wouldn't be showing if we click it. All right, so that is it. I'm going to set this back to 180 though. And that's what we have. But hopefully this kind of makes sense. If it doesn't, you can always just shoot me an email or drop me a line or a comment, and we can kind of walk you through this. Have a good day.